So let's see what we've got here. We've got the RAM mount package. With instructions, with bolts, and with a small round ball that should fit right inside of this guy. Just like that. And we got another set of bolts here, just in case these are not right. We're going to mount this right here, and there is a cover on it. And so we're going to carefully just remove that cover. Now, I want to show you this. The bolt that comes with the RAM mount has a fairly large head to it, and it does not fit in the hole here, which is why you have to get a lower profile one. Additionally, if you compare the factory bolt to the bolts that need to go through the RAM mount, you need a 55mm length bolt in order to be the same length as the factory bolt once it's passed through the RAM mount. We're going to test thread it, make sure it goes without any issues before we put any Loctite on it. Cross threading, so we'll back that back out. We'll put a drop of Loctite on it. After running it through the round ball. And that allows us